Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture exercise 5.1 question number 2. What is the difference of the question number 2 and question number 1? In question number 1 we solved only a single inequality on a graph paper. Now we have to draw the two inequality on a one graph paper. The procedure is the same like 5.1 question number 1. The first step, what we did in the question number 1, we did that remove this sign and use the sign of equality. Good. After that, what we did? Good. Find two ordered pair. How to find? Put x is equal to 0. Good. Put x is equal to 0. Find the value of y. So when putting 0, so 2 into 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. Right? Then more simplification. So minus 3y is equal to 6. The value of y will become, because after this dividing 6 divided by minus 3, then we will get minus 2. So we will get the ordered pair. The second order pair I find, put first the value of x. First ordered pair we will find 0 minus 2. In the same way, we have to find the second value. For the second value, I will find it here first, then I will write on the second equation. Like here. Here, what you will do that? Now, put y is equal to 0. When we put y is equal to 0, then 2x minus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6. The value of x is equal to 3. So what is the value of the ordered pair? 3, 0. Good. Okay. The first inequality, write it here and leave it here. Then go on the second inequality. The same step. First of all, we have to remove this sign. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. After that, we have to find its two ordered pair. Okay, put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0, then find the value of y. So 2 into 0 plus 3 y, which is equal to 12. So 3y is equal to 12, and the value of y is equal to 4 divided by 3. What is the answer? 4. 0 and 4, one ordered pair. Right? The second order pair, how to find? Good. Put y is equal to 0 and find the value of x. So 2x plus 3, in the place of y we are putting 0, so that term will become 0. 12. So 2x is equal to 12. So the value of x is equal to 6. So the ordered pair will become 6 and 0. Right? Till here our question solved. After that we have to go on a graph paper. What we will do on the graph paper? Here, before to expert, first you have to draw the single line graph, then combine the both graph, then you will be better understand. So first I will make the two graphs separately of this one and this one, then after that I will combine both graphs. So the first inequality, I am drawing the graph here. I am making small graph because I have to make another graph also. Yes. Sorry, the line is not straight. I have to make line straight. It's line straight. one graph here, one graph for second line. I will make it here. Okay, then after the both graphs done, then I will go on the next. First, for this graph, that is x dash, that is origin 1 2 3 4 5. What is the value of maximum is equal to 3 0 and 0 minus 2 coming down, because this value is not going up. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So the value of this ordered pair 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 is the point this one. Okay, 3 0 is the point this one. Draw a solid line because this one, so we draw a solid line and check the testing point. Name of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Testing point is the origin. When you put origin here, so this side will become 0 is less than 6. So tell me about this. This side is true or false? True. Good. When it's true, so which side we have to shade it? Origin side. So this side will be shaded. That is the previous part which we did before in question number 1. Now we are going to the second inequality, that whose ordered pair 6 0 and 0 4. Okay, positive values taking that one 6 0 and 0 4. We will go till 6 1 2 3 4 5, and that is the 6, because 6 0 is this point, and 0 4 1 2 3 and 4, that is the point 0 4. So we have to draw the line, then after that we will check the testing point. Sorry, this line, okay, origin. If we are putting the value of origin here, then it will become 0 less than 12. Is it true or false? True. Good. So if that's true condition, so we have to shaded which portion? We have to shade the portion of origin side. So we have to shaded the portion of origin side. This portion is shaded. Clear? Till here your previous lecture in 5.1 question number 1, a single line. Now we have to combine the both lines in a single graph paper. If when you will be expert, then no need to draw such like that. You have to draw directly only a single diagram, but at that time you have to need more practice. So now I am going to explain that how to draw a single diagram of the both lines. Value is coming on the negative side, no value of negative side, so we can draw this line here because negative value of x is not available. So we can write it here, draw the line here, so the portion will be more clear. I remove this line. Okay, that will become origin 1 2 3 4 5 6, because 6 7 8 9 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. I am not taking this side of the value because I knew that there is no negative value of the x-axis on this side. If I draw this line first, so what is that? 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 is this point, right? 3 0 is this point. Draw a line. Draw a line. Write the name of this line. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. We can go a little more also. Right? Here, first you did not draw the shaded portion. Just keep one in your mind with the pencil. The origin side is shaded. Just you have draw a single dot. This portion is shaded. Mean this portion and this portion is shaded, but this portion is not shaded. Okay? Draw a dotted or the cross to keep in your mind. Then go on the next line. What is the next line? Ordered pair 0 4. That point is the 0 4. Okay? And 6 0. And 5 and 6 0 is this point. So we have to draw a line first. And the name of this equation, is that equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, again we have to check its portion is also shaded on the origin side because its portion is down. So its origin side is this one, right? And this one also, but this one also. Check which portion is having the common portion in the both the lines. Which portion is common in the both lines. Here this line does not allow to come this side. Before that, this portion is shaded on this side of this line. Regarding this line, this portion is shaded, but the common portion of the both lines are this one. Common portion of the both lines are this one, where the double, you can see that the double dot is also showing that one. So this is the common portion. So we have to shaded the common portion like this one. If he will say only x is positive, then we will stop it here because here x is negative. If he will apply the condition like that, he will apply the condition x is greater than or equal to 0. So then we will stop it here. Even this portion is shaded, but positive is having only this side. But he did not give this condition, but next question he will give. So we have to shaded this portion also. That is our solution. So this combined portion, we have to make our solution set, and in such a way we will draw. So that's why I said you will write the name of inequality or the equation, because here there are two equations we forgot. The teacher forgot that which is this equation. Okay, must be write the name of the equation. Then this portion is shaded of the both combined. This is the main concept. Then after that, in next lecture, that is the 3 lines combined. So first you have to be perfect 2 lines with x greater than 0 or the y greater than 0. Then after that, I will explain the third, because here I told you before, if he will give only x greater than 0, so we will remove this portion. Even it's shaded, then remove. If he will say x and y both greater than 0, we will also provide that x and y both greater than 0. So this portion, so below this line, this portion you will also stop that one. So that also clean. Only the first quadrant portion will be shaded, because x and y both are positive, only the first quadrant. And the region which is shaded in the first quadrant, such a region is called feasible region. Such a region is called feasible region. In such a way, inshallah, in the next topic, I will explain that the 3 inequality, how to draw in a single diagram. Okay? Thank you very much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.